Okay, here's two questions from the review. First one says, have a deep diving bell being lowered constant rate. So after 12 minutes, the depth is 400 feet. And then after 55 minutes, it's at 1,600 feet. And they ask, what's the average rate of lowering per minute? So I guess what you could do is you could think of each of these as being a point. And what you're wanting to do is figure out what the slope. So we're wanting to figure out the slope. So this is like x1, y1, x2, y2. So the slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2, so 1,600 minus 400 is over 55 minus 12. So this would be 1,200 divided by, I think that's 43. Is that right? And then divide those two numbers. Should come out to 29 something. Should come out to about 27.9. The next question has to do with a ladder. So here's a wall, and I've got a ladder resting up against it. Okay, here's my ladder. And it touches the top of the wall at a height of 12 feet. So from there down to there is 12 feet. And then they say the ladder's 4 feet more than the distance from the wall. So I could say the distance that the ladder is away from the wall is x. So the ladder is x plus 4. Since this is a right angle, then we can use Pythagoras for this. So c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. This is c, and we'll call this one a and that one b. The important one is this one, that it's the longest side. So it'd be x plus 4 squared is equal to a squared, that's 12 squared, plus b is x squared. So x plus 4 squared, I need to write that out twice, equals 12 squared is 144, and that would just be x squared. So if I distribute this, this will come out to be x squared plus 4x plus another 4x plus 16 equals 144 plus x squared. And now let's bring everything over to the left side. So I'll have x squared plus, this will be 8x plus 16. And then if I bring this over, it'll be minus 144. If I bring this over, it'll be minus x squared. But now the x squareds will cancel. And then, so all I have is 8x, and then 16, 144, take away 16. What's that come out to? It'll be 128. So 8x minus 128 is equal to 0. So this is a linear equation, so I should take this back. So it'd be 8x is equal to 128, or x is equal to, if you divide that, I think it comes out to 16. So 16 is what x is, but the question says find the length of the ladder. So this is the ladder here. So the ladder is x plus 4, or 16 plus 4 equals 20 feet. That's how long the ladder is. All right, hopefully that helps you with those two questions.